Good morning, students. In today's class, we will learn our next chapter, chapter number 13, Light and Shadow.
Children, can you see me? No? Okay, now tell me whether you are able to see me or not. Yes? Now you all can see me, no? Yes. So children, have you ever wondered that was it that helped us to see around us? Yes, light. Children, light is a source, light is a thing through which we can see everything around us. Children, candle, bulb, tube lights, lantern, sun, moon, stars, these all are the different sources of light. And you know that these different sources of light is divided into two groups. The first one is artificial sources of light and the second is natural sources of light. Now we will talk about artificial sources of light. Children, candle, bulb, tube lights, lantern, these all are the artificial sources of light. Means these all things are made by humans. Yes, we all made these artificial sources of light. Fine. And what about the natural sources of light? The light which is given by the God, means it is given by nature. Like sun, moon, stars, these all are the examples of natural sources of light.
Children, do you know that firefly is an insect which has light in its tail? So, it will come in natural source of light. Shadows. Children, light travels in straight line. When light reaches an object, it can travel through the object if the object is transparent. When an object blocks the light's path, then darkness appears on the other side. And this darkness is called a shadow. Children, you must have seen your black images moving with you. That is your own shadow. Children, the sun is also cause of shadows. When the light of the sun is blocked by an object, the dark area beside the object is called a shadow. Now let us know the things required for a shadow to form: a source of light, an object, and a screen or the surface behind the object. So children, these are the requirements for framing shadows. Let us do an activity. Children, go out in the sun at the different times of the day and observe your own shadow. Move in different ways and see how your shadow changes. Play games with your own shadow. So, children, the position of the sun decides the length of the shadow. Do you know, at noon the sun is overhead. So, there is hardly any shadow, children, or we can say that the shadow will be shorter. In the morning and in the afternoon time, children, when the sun is in the east and in the west, you block the sun's rays and your shadow is long. In the morning, your shadow is in the west, whereas in the evening, your shadow is in the east. You cannot see a shadow when the sun is covered by clouds. Children, shadows can only be seen only in the presence of light. Let us have some fun with shadow, children. Use a dark room and a torch, but different objects should be placed in front of the torch light and watch the shadows. Now, by using your hands, try to form shadows of the animals on the wall. Try to touch something and see if your shadows touches it too. Now, children, gently try to move your hand in such a way that your shadow continues to touch it. Now, you know that you should not be scared of your shadow, as it means that there is light somewhere near you. So, the summary of the chapter is any object that gives out light is called a light source. Light sources are of two types, natural and artificial. Natural sources of light are found in nature. Artificial sources of light are man made objects that give out light. A shadow is formed when the light is not allowed to pass through an object. A shadow is always formed on the opposite side of the light source. Shadows are long in the morning and evening and short at noon. Thank you.